Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we have a very special video for all of you. Mother's Day is just around the corner, and if you're still wondering what to get for your amazing mom, worry no more. I've got you covered with 10 heartfelt gift ideas that will suit any budget. So let's dive right in. Alright, let's start with our first gift idea. Sometimes the most meaningful gifts come straight from the heart. Write your mom a heartfelt letter, telling her how much she means to you, and reminisce about some of your favorite memories together. Gather your favorite photos with your mom and create a DIY photo album. Personalize it with cute stickers, captions, and even little notes to make it extra special. You can never go wrong with a personalized mug. Find a cute design, add her name or initials, and maybe even a sweet message. Every time she sips her morning coffee or tea, she'll think of you. Does your mom love to cook? Compile her favorite recipes, along with some of your own, into a beautiful custom recipe book. This thoughtful gift will be cherished for years to come. Help your mom relax and unwind with an aromatherapy diffuser. Choose her favorite essential oils to create a calming atmosphere in her home. A delicate necklace or bracelet with her initials or a special date engraved on it will make her feel extra special. Choose from a range of materials like sterling silver or gold, depending on your budget. Treat your mom to a well-deserved spa day. Book a massage, facial, or a full spa package for the ultimate relaxation experience. Create a custom perfume for your mom that perfectly captures her essence. Work with a professional perfumer or attend a perfume-making workshop together for a fun bonding experience. If your mom has an eye for fashion, consider splurging on a designer handbag she's been eyeing. It's a luxurious gift that she'll treasure and use for years to come. Surprise your mom with a weekend getaway to her favorite destination or somewhere she's always wanted to visit. It's a perfect opportunity to create unforgettable memories together. And there you have it, 10 heartfelt Mother's Day gift ideas that will suit any budget. Remember, the most important thing is to show your mom just how much she means to you. Whether you choose a simple handwritten letter or a luxurious weekend getaway, she's sure to appreciate the thought and effort you put into her special day. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more amazing content. Leave a comment down below sharing your favorite Mother's Day gift ideas, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.